All right, everybody, let's see how we did. Remember, our problem was Miss Rice had 4 lollipops on her desk. Later that day, she found 3 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Miss Rice have now? Well, let's look at that picture. I think I'm going to use circles and sticks to make a very simple lollipop. So I know that she found 4 on her desk. I'm going to do my 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's just add a little lollipop on there. So I have 4 lollipops that she had on her desk. Then later that day, she found 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Well, goodness gracious, how many lollipops does she have now? I know she started with how many? That's right, she started with 4. Do you think we can count on from there? Remember, we're going to put 4 in our head and then count the rest of them. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 7 lollipops too? Awesome job, my friends. So our answer is 7 lollipops. And if you didn't write the word, that's okay. We have 7 lollipops. Now let's write our number sentence that matches our work. We had how many to start with? Oh, that's right. We had 4 plus and 4 and 3 makes 7. Woohoo! Great job, my friends. I'm so proud of the hard work you did.